Hello everyone, welcome back to the module 4. In this module, we're going to learn how to start with digital marketing, right? So, in the previous modules, we learn about what is digital marketing and why we should use digital marketing and what are the different ways for digital marketing. And in this module, we're going to learn how to start with digital marketing, right? We know different ways, but how to start, which is the first thing to start with, or what is the exact procedure we should follow, right? So, these are the different ways you can see like content marketing, search engine marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, and display advertising, and selling goods and services, and affiliate marketing and video marketing. All are the different possible ways, but for this the website is the main base. Like website should be in the center and this all should be done in the background, like because we can do it individually, but doing it individually does not make much sense unless or until we own something. Like if we have our own website, like if we own that, then if we own that and if we do this all, then like this all belong to us, our property. It's like we get a feeling that, oh, this is something ours, it's my own. So that comes with a website. So first of all, try to own a website. And then content marketing is nothing but like, in the last video we discussed what is content marketing. It's nothing but a different form of content can be done, and marketing should be done through that content. Like for example, for content marketing is blogging. So suppose we have a product, a mobile phone. So we're gonna write some blogs about our mobile phone in our website and gonna post it, and we're gonna do search engine optimization for that website so that it will rank high in the Google, and the people when search for mobile phones, our website will be displayed to them, and they will go to the website and they will check the blogs, and if all the features and the price are acceptable for the person, they will purchase. So it's one of the form of content, and the different forms of content can be like blogs, articles, videos, graphics. Like it can be any form, but it should market our product, right? So then after content marketing, it's the search engine marketing. So we already discussed in the previous video what is search engine marketing, and it is the same thing like marketing search engines. If we want to reach the wider audience in the lesser span of time, we're gonna purchase some ads. So purchase some ads like Google ads or YouTube ads or Facebook ads, and then we're gonna put our product details and about we can make a video in detail about our product features, prices, quality, some reviews, etc., and then we can make it publish. So different users will see that, and if they like it, they will purchase it. So and then comes to social media marketing, and social media marketing is also similar, but here we'll use our social media accounts. See, here we can use our Instagram or Facebook or LinkedIn account to market our product, but there is something, uh, disadvantage of this is, right? So if something suddenly the Facebook changes its algorithm and changes its security policies, and then if your post seems invalid, that post will be deleted, your account will be blocked, then you can't continue your marketing, right? So having a website is necessary. So if you have your website and you link this post to the website, and if the still the app got banned or your account got banned, but still your website will be there, right? So you can use other resources in the website to get the traffic. So there are many opportunities for the website instead of an individual social media account, right? So thereby having a website is advisable. And then email marketing. So it's like email marketing, you can do email marketing individually or in your website. At the last, after all your products, after the last you should collect the information of the user, like their basic username and email, so that they will enter and they will click on submit, then the details will be submitted to you, and then you're gonna mail them personally, right, about your details or offers or special offers, something you're gonna make a personalized contact with each of them, and you can gain the traffic, or you can make the product sales. So having your website for the email marketing is very important, because the more people visit the website, the more people will give their email details to you. So then display advertising. So display advertising also play a important role in marketing, and having your own website for display marketing is very advantageable, because like if you have a website and if the traffic for the website is very high, Then if you allow Google to display ads on your website, then you will get money when some user clicks that. So suppose when user is reading your blogs about some product, and in the middle the ad got displayed, the user clicks that ad, then you will get some money. So there is a free money, right? So if your site or your website are having traffic, then if you are having ads in it, so you will get some revenue from it. So having the website for display advertising is also really good. And then selling goods and services. So similarly, if if you are having a website and the traffic for the website, and like if you are writing blogs about a particular product, and at the last of the blog giving the link of that product, the people who are reading all the blog and are convinced with the features and the cost, then will go to the link and purchase the product. So in that way the services and the goods are sold and the sales happen. This is how the digital marketing is done in the with the help of the website. And affiliate marketing is also an important source to get revenue. It is nothing but it's any form of content. It may be audio content or video content or blog content. After the content, you will get uh, you get your users to onto your website, and you will ask them to click some links and go to purchase that product. And if they purchase that product, you will get some revenue. So that form may be anything. It may be from blog post. Like if you place some links on blog and they will click on that link and they will go to the official website and they purchase the product, you will get some revenue. Or if they watch your YouTube videos and in the description you place some links and they click that link and they go to the website and they purchase that product and you get some revenue. So it may be any form of content. If you place some links in that form and they click on that and they done the purchase, then you gonna some commission. So if you're having a large number of audience, then you get a large commission and you can earn some good money. And video marketing is nothing but some videos, like it may be some YouTube videos or Instagram reels, etc. And placing the YouTube videos in only YouTube is not that much recommended, but linking that videos to a website improves the user engagement and the user activity on the site. Because when the user will enter your website, if they see on the website, they see the video on the website, they're gonna spend more time on your website, which increases the user time on your website, which is also a key factor to a website to be succeeded. So these are the different ways to start with digital marketing, and this is a way to exactly start with digital marketing. And the base is that to have a website. So try to own a website. Your website should be the front end for all the users, and in the back end you can add many features, like you can add display advertising to that, and you can add email marketing to that, and you can do affiliate marketing in that, and you can do content marketing in that, and you can optimize some social media profiles on that, and you can link your videos on that. Like it may be anything. The base should be the website, and this all should be the childs. So in the next module, how exactly we can earn money with the digital marketing is going to be discussed. So stay tuned for the next module. And Sanjay Makala signing off.